To run the program, click on the Run button, the green Play button, located at the top right of the editor, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus F5. The Run button also provides the options to run project and debug project. The Run button is a feature provided by the C# Dev Kit extension. The C# Dev Kit does not directly support CLI projects. For a CLI project, open the terminal and use the command .NET Run to run your C# console application. You can also run projects by manually setting up tasks and launch configurations in the tasks and launch files. The C# Dev Kit determines the correct project to run based on the open source file. Debugging is the process of identifying, diagnosing, and fixing issues, also known as bugs, in a program. It involves running the program in a controlled environment where you can monitor its behavior, inspect variables, and track the flow of execution to pinpoint errors or unexpected behavior. To debug a C# program, set a breakpoint and press the F5 key to start debugging.